Today we have a little practical challenge. Here is our task. From the list of products, which is scattered across multiple columns, extract a unique list of all product codes neatly in one column. No duplicates, no blanks, sorted alphabetically. With newer versions of Excel, you can solve it in seconds. Let's do it in one line. And that's it. Sorted unique list of all product codes in seconds. But if you are like me, you'd rather understand how this works than just copy it. So let's break it down step by step. Step number 1. Turn your table into a single column using toCol function. Here is what is happening. toCol function stands for toColumn. It takes a range and stacks all values vertically into a single column. The first argument is our range and the second argument is 1. This tells Excel to ignore blanks. If you leave it as 0 or omit it, you might see a bunch of empty rows in your result. Cool. Now all our scattered values are in one clean column. Step number 2. Remove the duplicates using unique function. What this does is simple. Unique looks at that column of values and removes any repeated product codes. Only the first instance of each code is kept, the rest are dropped. Nice. Now we've removed the clutter, but it's still not sorted. Step number 3. Put things in order with sort function. Sort takes the array of values and arranges them in ascending order by default. So if the codes are text, they'll be sorted alphabetically. If they are numbers, they'll be sorted numerically. And there you go, a tidy alphabetical list of every unique product code from a messy table. And it all works with just one smart formula. And now let me ask you, have you used toCol function before? Or are you still using helper columns or copy-paste tricks? Drop your answer in the comments. See ya!